What's up, guys? It's Elijah Garvin, and I'm going to teach you how to put a picture on your Weebly. First, what you're going to want to do is let load and then click login, and then you're going to put in your username and password. Remember to put your put BMS before you put the numbers in your password.
Oh, don't worry, that was just Bill opening the door, right?
Anyways, when you put in your username and password, you're gonna click login, and then click website, click edit site. Then if this pops up, you're gonna want to click skip, and then find the page that you want to put your picture on. Alright, scroll down to where you want to put it, and then click on the toolbar, and then click on image and drag it to where you want it to be. And then if this pops up, you're going to click OK to allow Weebly to access your photos. Find the photo that you want, and then click done, and then it should be in. Then you're going to click done, and then publish. Thank you. Bye.